Not tired?
Nepavargot?
Good. So again the same question.
Tas pats klausimas.
How many people they knows about this mantra?
Kiek žinot apie šią mantrą? Kažką?
1, 2, 3, 4. One monk, he was very much famous and very much powerful.
Vienas labai žymus ir galingas vienuolis.
And mostly monks in ancient time,
O senovėje vienuoliai
they were married.
vesdavo.
They get married not for enjoy.
Jie vesdavo ne dėl kažkokių tai džiugių priežasčių.
They got married for born powerful and very energetic children.
Jie vesdavo todėl, kad sulauktų labai galingų ir nuostabių vaikų.
So they were married for 10 years,
Jie vesdavo 10 metų.
but they didn't get child.
Bet jeigu jie nepaslaukdavo vaiko,
And one day, monk wife, she was very much unhappy and
per
angry.
10 metų vienuolis negalėjo paslaukti vaikus su savo žmona ir vieną kartą jis buvo labai supykęs ir nelaimingas.
Andrew, you can be little bit in a queue. Andrew, make him little bit cute. Don't make that. Yeah. So she said, "You are so powerful. If you want, we can have child."
Tu esi galingas, jeigu tu pasistengtum, mes tikrai susilauktume vaikų.
Monk, he said, "My dear wife, we don't have in our luck."
O vienuolis pasakė, žmona, mes neturime tokios
She said, "I cannot believe because you have power to change even luck, such powerful." And he was really powerful.
Žmona pasakė, kad tai netiesa, kad tu gali pakeisti lemtį, tu gali pakeisti likimą, tu esi toks galingas, kad tu gali tą pakeitimą padaryti.
They stopped to talk,
Jie liovėsi kalbėti,
but after 5 days, 10 days, she started again talk about it.
o po 50 dienų žmona vėl pradėjo
And
kalbėti.
she said, "I want children.
Ir jie pasakė, aš noriu vaikų,
Just I want children.
aš noriu vaikų.
If you will not do something, I will not eat
Jeigu tu ko nors nepadarysi, aš nustosiu valgyti.
and I will die."
Ir aš numirsiu.
Yeah, actually, every woman want to be mother.
Kiekviena moteris nori būti mama.
Very big happiness for mother to have a child.
Mamai labai didelė laimė susilaukti vaiko.
And it was woman nature. I want.
Tai buvo moters prigimtis, aš noriu.
And then monk, he thought, "Oh, really, she will not eat. It can be very bad for her."
Ir vienuolis pagalvojo, tikrai nevalgys, tik gali numirti.
So he started to do some prayer and mantras,
Jis pradėjo melstis, kalbėti,
yagyas,
daryti ugnies ritualus, jagras.
and they got one son.
Ir jis susilaukė sūnaus.
And he was really very much divine child
Tikrai buvo dieviškas vaikas.
because of mantra energy, mantra power.
Dėl mantrų energijos ir mantrų jėgos.
He was 1 year old,
Kai jam buvo 1,
and he was playing in a garden.
ir tas vaikas žaidė sode.
His father was out of house somewhere, and mother, she was inside in a house. And then one sound is came from sky.
Staiga iš dangaus pasigirdo garsas.
Its sound name is in Sanskrit Akashvani. Akash means sky, Vani means sound.
Tas garsas sanskrito kalba vadinasi Akashvani. Akash yra dangus, Vani yra garsas.
if something is going to happen in a future, so sometime that sound it came and inform to everyone.
Jeigu grėsdavo kokios nors grėsmės, kartais tas garsas iš dangaus pasigirsdavo, kad įspėtų žmones
And
apie nelaimę.
that sound is 100% truth.
Ir šitas garsas yra 100% teisingas įspėjimas.
So sound it was that child just have his 8-year life. After that he have to die.
Ir tas garsas pranešė, kad šiam vaikui lemta gyventi tik 8 metus, po to jis turės mirti.
And when his mother, she heard the sound, it was so painful for her.
Ir kai motina išgirdo tą garsą, jai buvo be galo skaudu.
She started to cry very much. She forget to eat. She forget everything and just crying and crying. Monk, he came back at home in the evening and he saw his wife's eyes is so big, so red,
Pamatė raudoną
and she just crying. He asked what happened.
ir paklausė, kas ištiko.
She told him everything.
Mama jam viską papasakojo.
And Monk, he told, yeah, I told you, we don't have child in our luck.
O vienuolis sakė, taip, aš
But she's
tau sakiau,
she's
kad
saying
mes savo
again,
šalyje neturime vaiko.
she's saying again, I don't know
Vėl
anything.
pasakė, aš nieko negaliu.
My child shouldn't be died.
Mano vaikas neturi mirti.
You are so powerful. If you want, you can do
Jeigu
something.
tu norėtum, tu padarysi.
My child should be alive.
Mano vaikas turi gyventi.
So that time Monk, he said, okay, give me one promise.
Tada vienuolis sako, pažadėk man vieną dalyką.
If you want to be see alive your child,
Jeigu nori matyti savo vaiką gyvą,
if you want your child should be alive,
jeigu nori, kad jis gyventų,
you should give me one promise.
turi man pažadėti.
She said, okay, I'm ready to do everything. I want to see
Aš viską pažadėsiu,
my child alive.
aš noriu savo vaiką matyti gyvą.
Okay. And then Monk, he starts to chant this mantra.
Tada vienuolis ėmė giedoti šitą mantrą.
1 year continue.
Vienerius metus be sustojimo.
And that child, he was really very much divine.
O vaikas iš tiesų buvo dieviškas.
And when he was 2 years old, he also started to chant this mantra.
Kai jam sukako 2 metai, jis taip pat pradėjo tą mantrą giedoti.
And when he became 3 years old,
Kai jam 3 sukako,
his father teach him so deeply about this mantra.
jo tėvas jam perteikė labai gilias šios mantros žinias.
Рассказал о глубине этой мантры.
Which mantra? You have to chant it. I don't know.
Kokią tai mantrą?
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mratyurmokshiyamamrita. Day and night, morning, evening, just this mantra. And when the child was around 5 years old, he was super mastering this mantra, super master.
Buvo įvaldęs tobulai šitą mantrą.
So when he completed his 5 year, in a morning, such time,
Jam sukako tas
in a sunrise time, his father, he called his mother and he said, if you want to see him alive,
ir pasakė, jeigu nori matyti,
he must left to us today. It was very much hard for her because he's so beautiful. He's just 5 years old, so small.
buvo tik 5 jis buvo
you can imagine you have child, how hard can be to go forever child from home, and who have just one child and 5-year-old.
Ypač jeigu turi tik vieną vaiką ir jam.
But there is no any option.
Bet jiem nebuvo kito pasirinkimo.
It was very much hard, like mountain on her heart.
Jiems buvo labai sunku.
She said, okay. I started crying again, but it was very much hard. And they called to son. He came. They said, my son, from today we don't have any relationship with you.
Ir tėvai jam pasakė, sūnau, nuo šios dienos mes neturėsime jokių ryšių.
And you should go where you want. He have a smile and he said, okay, my mother, father, as your order. And he started without breakfast, without water, just small clothes, 2 clothes, nothing with him.
Ir jisai nieko nepasiėmęs, nei vandens, nei maisto, nei drabužių.
When he took his feet out of house,
Kai jisai išžengė iš namų,
he chant mantra. Which mantra? Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mratyurmokshiyamamrita. This mantra actually belongs to God Shiva.
ši mantra priklauso Dievui Šivai.
It's God Shiva mantra.
Šivos mantra.
So whole that day he walked
Visą dieną jis ėjo,
with this mantra,
giedodamas tą mantrą.
and he was very much far, somewhere in a very big forest.
Jis nuėjo labai toli, didelį mišką.
Even he don't know where he is going.
Jisai pats nežinojo, kur jisai eina.
So in a forest, he sits in a such under tree
Jis sėdėjo po medžiu,
because he was very much tired.
kadangi buvo pavargęs.
After 5-10 minutes, he saw there is very big something like such a stone, very big,
Po kelių minučių jisai pamatė didelį akmenį.
but it was covered with leaves, with dust.
Bet tas akmuo buvo apdengtas labais, apkritęs labais, purvu.
But he felt that stone is pulling him like that.
Bet jis pajuto, kad tas akmuo tarsi traukia.
He stand up
Atsistojo,
and he started to clean,
akmenį nuvalė.
and then he saw there was very big lingam.
Ir pamatė, kad ten buvo didelis Šivalingam.
They know Shivlingam. What is Shivlingam?
Žinot apie Šivalingam.
So who don't know, you can tell what is Shivlingam.
Kas nežino, papasakokite, atsiklauskite, kurie žino.
There is a kind of divine stone,
Tai yra vienišas akmuo,
and who came from earth.
kurie tie akmenys jie augo iš žemės.
And there is just few special places.
Yra tik tai kelios vietos,
These are places blessed by God Shiva,
kurios palaimintos Dievo Šivai.
and it's kind of such. If you can see in a picture, later you can see there is a one stone.
Ir va čia šitam paveikslė yra vienas akmuo, jūs galėsite taip
So he second Shiva.
jis yra kaip antras Šivas.
So he was very much happy to see that Shivlingam,
Vaikas buvo labai nudžiugęs pamatęs Šivą.
and there was very big river also.
Netoliese buvo didelė upė.
He took water, he cleaned everything, and every day he went to forest. He bring some fruit
Kiekvieną dieną prisėdavo į mišką, atnešdavo,
and he do prayer mantras,
melsdavosi, giedodavo mantras.
Which mantra?
Ir kokią mantrą jisai giedojo?
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Hold it. Just
Dieną jis giedojo tą mantrą.
eat some fruits
Šiek tiek pavalgydavo,
and sleep
pamiegodavo
and mantra practice.
ir vėl giedodavo.
Slowly he became 6-year-old,
Netrukus jam sukako
7-year-old, 7.5,
7,5
and one day
vieną dieną
he became 8.
jis tapo 8.
And in the morning he started to feel something is not good.
Ir ryte pasijuto blogai, kad kažkas ne taip.
If you have practice, you can even also feel if something is wrong, your soul can say you.
Jeigu jūs užsiimat dvasinėm praktikom, jūsų siela ir jums gali pasakyti, jeigu kas nors yra ne taip.
So he was in a river
Jis buvo upėje,
and he felt something very much strange.
pasijuto keistai,
He left water there
išbrido iš vandens,
and he came to very close to Sivlingam
tada jis atėjo arti prie šeimos,
and he started to chant mantra.
jis pradėjo giedoti mantrą.
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Yamraja he came, who is owner of prana. He, he took from body always soul and prana. So he was in the air, looked like devil, very strange. His body, his face. So he said, okay child, now you should come with me. Your life is complete. He said, no, I don't want. He said, you have to. No. Because no one wants to be that. Doesn't matter they are old or child or young. Doesn't matter they are human being or animal and bird. Everyone loves to life. And they have to love even. During day we will talk about life, what is life. So Yamraja, he said come, he said no. And then Yamraja, he threw one rope and that rope, it was in his neck. Then immediately that child, he hugged this Sivlingam very strongly and chant, he started to chant mantra. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Yamraja, he started to pull his neck and he started to chant very strongly, very fast. And Yamraj cannot pull him now because this rope was not in his neck. That rope was in God Shiva neck. And God Shiva, he was in a meditation,
Дева
Господь Шива был, пребывал в медитации,
and he's pulling God Shiva neck,
и он дергает,
and God Shiva, he broke his meditation,
когда Господь пришел в медитацию,
and he became so angry. And when he became angry,
когда он
there is different sound, earth start to vibrate, and he saw there is Yamraja, and he's doing something wrong with my child. I love him very much. God Shiva, he came,
когда достигли,
and Yamraja, he said, Lavas Vakaras, Grastvite God Shiva. Okay, Grastvite. But what are you doing? God Shiva, today this child have to be died because his life is done. He completed his 8-year life. And he's saying no. And God Shiva also said, yes, left him. He said, sorry, I cannot because this is my duty. God Shiva, he said, left him. He said, I'm sorry, God Shiva, because it's Brahma order. His life is complete. And God Shiva, he became very much angry, and he took his Trisula and he said, okay, I will also complete your life now. And he became very much scared
тогда он очень испугался,
and start to shivering. God Shiva, please forgive me, forgive me, forgive me.
прости меня, Господи Шива, пожалуйста.
But please tell me, what should I do?
Ну, пожалуйста, ответь мне, что я должен делать?
This is a universe system.
Это вселенная система.
God Shiva, he said,
Когда Господь Шива сказал,
okay, I am not against to your universe system,
хорошо, я не против этой системы,
but I will not let to him die
но я не позволю ему,
because I love him very much.
потому что я люблю его.
So go to God Brahma
Иди к Господу Брахме
and say to him,
и скажи,
to this child,
этот ребенок,
God Shiva, he give him his 8-year life.
Господь Шива дарит этому ребенку 8 лет жизни.
And that child, he got God Shiva life 8 years.
Тогда этот ребенок получил 8 лет
Ir
жизни
tas
от
vaikas gavo 8 gyvenimo metus savo dar papildomus už Dievo.
Because of mantra.
благодаря мантре.
Which mantra?
Какой мантре?
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mratyurmokshiyamamrutat. And that 8-year life, it was more than 100,000 year life.
Tas 8 metų gyvenimas buvo daugiau negu 100 tūkstančių metų.
Больше сотни тысяч лет.
And according to Vedic system,
Pagal Vedų sistemą
На ведической системе
he is still alive.
jis dar vis tebėra gyvas.
He cannot die easily.
Jis taip lengvai numirti nebegali.
After that, he became very big monk, very famous.
Tas vaikas tapo žymiu vienuoliu.
His name was Markandeya Rishi.
Jo vardas buvo Markanderis.
Markandeya, who win life, who win death.
Gyvenimą, nugalimi.
побеждает смерть.
And then he wrote this mantra in a book,
Tada jis rašė šią
Написал
mantrą
эту
knygą,
мантру книги,
but he described in such big book.
bet
но
jis parašė
объяснил
storą
эту
knygą
мантру
apie tą
еще
mantrą.
большей книги.
Very powerful mantra.
Очень
special for health,
особенно для здоровья.
any kind of accident,
В любых происшествиях,
very dangerous and bad illness.
в опасных болезнях.
One family, they live in Klaipeda.
Есть одна семья, которая живет в Клайпеде.
They born one small girl. She was just 10 days old,
Девочке было всего 10 дней.
and she had some big illness.
У нее была серьезная болезнь.
Doctor said we have to be operate this problem, operation,
Доктора сказали, что ее нужно оперировать.
and 99.9% she will not alive.
Но 99%, что
And
она не
if she will alive, it will be miracle.
Но если она выживет, это будет чудо.
I have relation with this family last 5 years.
Доктор знает эту семью больше 5 лет уже.
They called.
Ему звонят.
Can you do something? I asked to my teacher.
Может ли он сделать что-то, когда
He
доктор
said Sohan
позвонил
better
своему
to not
учителю?
do it
И тогда он сказал,
because she have really big problem.
лучше ничего не делать.
She will die.
Проблемы, и она умрет.
But they start to cry and so pain.
Но родители стали
And
плакать.
I asked to my teacher again, please let's do something.
Тогда он попросил учителя, давайте все-таки что-то сделаем.
Then he invite 11 Brahmanas
Тогда учитель пригласил 11 браминов.
and 11 days
11 дней
continue this mantra.
они исполняли эту мантру.
150,000 times. 150,000 times. No. 100,000 and 50,000 times they did.
1050 раз.
That girl, she became little bit healthy,
Эта девочка стала...
and doctor they said how it can be possible.
Тогда доктора сказали, как это
And they said, okay, now she have to be 2 years in a hospital.
Тогда они сказали, ну теперь она должна быть 2 года в госпитале.
After months, after 20 days, not months, they said, oh, she's okay now, you can take to home.
Уже через 20 дней они сказали, ну с ней все в порядке,
And now
забирайте
she
ее домой.
is completely healthy.
Теперь она совершенно здорова.
Yeah, this mantra is really very much powerful
Эта мантра действительно очень могущественна.
for healing. If your family member, someone have some problem related to health,
Проблемы в семье.
just put your hand
Просто
and start chant this mantra.
начните исполнять эту мантру.
They will get good result.
Это приведет